Watch this machine 3D print a house in Italy using local earth. The printing was completed in about 8 working days. The 645.8 square feet building has a living room, a bedroom, and a toilet. Outside, a small lake collects waste and rainwater to be reused in the garden. Solar and thermal panels can be installed to provide clean energy. The TECLA house is designed to be built in many different places. Its shape and features can be modified to better suit the local climate and context. Italian company Mario Cucinella Architects works with WASP to demonstrate how 3D printing technology could change the way we live.